Alright, so clearly if I want to fill stuff into this equation, I need y dash and y double dash. So let's just go ahead and find y dash and double dash first. So y dash would be ax to the a minus 1. I need a skinnier. Oh, that is the skinnier. That's a. Alright, and then I get minus b x to the minus b minus 1 there. So that would be y dash. What would y double dash be? So I would have a minus 1, x, a minus 2, and here I would have minus b times minus b plus 1, x, this would now be minus b minus 2. Alright, if I put all that in this equation, let's see what we get. So it says that, why are my pens seems so, it's because I've made it so big, I think that's why. Alright, doesn't matter, we can deal with this somehow. So I've got x squared y double dash, so all of that double dashy stuff. So actually I'm just going to times all this double dash by x squared, if that's okay for you, just to get this part here. So if I times it all by x squared, I'm going to get a minus 1. Alright, timesing by x squared, that means adding a 2 to the indice. I'm just going to x to the a, so a minus 2 plus 2. Alright, and then I'm going to get b, I think that's a plus 1, isn't it? And here, what am I doing? I'm adding a 2 again, so I'm going to get x to the minus b. Alright, plus 2x y dash. So I'm going to take, to get this term, I'm going to times y dash by all this term by 2x. Let's see what I get. So I'm going to get a 2a times the x, so this will be x to the a, minus, I'm timesing by 2x, so 2b x to the minus b. Alright, I think that's right. Alright, and that's got to equal 12 y, which is find positive integers such that it does equal 12y. Alright, so that's got to equal 12 lots of y's, which is x to the a and 12x to the minus b. Alright, that's what that's got to equal. So I'm going to put all my x to the a's and x to the b's together on the left hand side so I can compare to the right hand side. So this has x to the a in it and this has x to the a in it. So let's put those together. So for my coefficient of x to the a here is a squared minus a in that first term plus 2a in that second term. Alright, now let's do the b's. So my coefficient of x to the b. So I'm going to get b squared plus b minus 2b times x to the minus b. Now that has to equal 12x to the a's and 12x to the minus b. So you can see that this has to equal 12 and this also has to equal 12. Alright, so what does that give us? That gives us a squared plus a has to equal 12 and also b squared minus b has to equal 12. So it does say these are positive integers. So a squared plus a minus 12 has to equal 0. A, oh, that's a minus, isn't it? A, so we're going to get a 3 and a 4. That's going to be a plus and a minus. So it says that would give us a equals 3 and minus 4, but we know that a is a positive integer. So since, I would say, I'm running out of room, but I'd say since a is positive, a would have to be 3. Can't be minus 4. Alright, so I'll do that little bit of working. We'd also get b squared minus b minus 12 equals 0, which is b, again we'll go 3's and 4's. This time we want a minus 4, positive 3. So b is going to be 4 and minus 3. Again, since b is positive, b would have to be 4. So I'm going to get these two answers. A is 3 and B is 4, given that it had to obey this law. So it's just about subbing in and comparing